Alright, well, I said I was going to do a video of the stereo install in my 2007 Chrysler 300. I actually started doing it already, but I put it all back together so I could take a video. I'll just quickly show you a few things here. So, I'm putting in these Pioneer 6x9s. I had them in my 2010 Dodge Journey, and then I sold the Journey, but the Chrysler 300 takes 6x9s as well. So here's the model number, 600 watts RMS, or sorry, 60 watts RMS. I'm going to be running these off of the deck for now. I've already installed one in this door. Can't see it. Just quickly show you. This is the deck I'm going to put in. I also had one of these in my Dodge Journey, and I really liked it. So I'm going to run this for now. Brand new. I'll do a separate video unboxing this. Got a really good deal. But anyways, everything's in there, so I'll do a short video unboxing this, and then I'll continue with my install video. So there's gonna be 6x9, 6x9. I have another box of them right over there. So those are gonna be in the trunk. Which I haven't taken that apart yet, so I'm not too sure how, but I'll figure it out. But anyways, let's get to the deck install. And with the deck install, I'm not using a wire harness. I'm just gonna wire it up myself. Show you a few tricks to doing that. And yeah, well, let's get started. This is probably my favorite tool for taking dash pieces off. You see the ribs on it there? I'll show you what that does. You stick it in here on the side, maybe. There. So once you get it in there, then the dash piece hooks onto that rib, and then you can pull it out of the clips. Because this is just all held on by clips. And this piece will help you so you don't wreck anything. Even though I'm not going to be using this dash piece, I'm going to be installing a different one. Okay, hopefully you can see back there. There's quite a few clips here. There's this guy right here. You just push down on the top, pull it out. Next one, push down on the top, pull it out. Now this guy right here has this little red tab. You can see that. That little red tab has to be pushed up like so into this position, and then you can push right here and wiggle it a little bit. This one right here is for the clock. It has a little tab on the bottom. You push that up, pull it out. There's one more in there, and that's for the hazard light switch. This one tab is on top. That's it. Now this is free to come out. And then we got a number 2 Phillips. Right here, 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 and here. Now this is, I believe, the touring model of the Chrysler 300. It could be the base model, I'm not 100% sure. But anyways, I think it's the standard stereo. So behind mine, we have one harness and one radio antenna. So this clips on top, pulls out, and the radio antenna just pulls out. And there you have it. And now that is all open. I might have to remove this since I'm putting a double DIN in, but it's just the 4 screws. But anyways, I need to figure out what all these wires are. So this is the harness here. Your typical aftermarket head unit has 11 main wires, 8 of them for speakers, 2 wires per speaker on a regular 4-channel system. And then the other 3 wires, one's your constant power, and the other one's your ignition power, and then your ground. You see how these 2 are twisted together? Maybe. These 2 are twisted together. These 2 are twisted together. These 2 are twisted together. And these 2 are twisted together. So I guarantee you these are your 4 speakers because they're twisted together in pairs. And there's 8 of them. None of these other ones are twisted together. Actually, you know what? This one's twisted together, but there is a 5th speaker in the dash, so that's one of those is probably that one. And there's all of our speaker wire, and then we got 4 wires left. So we got 2 black with green stripe and 2 gray with green stripe. And the rest are speakers. I just started cutting stuff, so we'll just figure it out as we go. So that's done. So I think these ones are positive, and these ones are negative. And those are speakers. So normally I use a 9-volt battery, but I don't have a fresh 9-volt battery to do this little trick with. But I have these lithium batteries tied in series, which is going to be around 12 volts. A little bit more than 9, but no big deal. So, which one did I say were that? These two. Yep. That's that speaker. That's right rear speaker, left rear, left front, and that is not a speaker. Okay. That just turned my interior lights on. So I wonder what we got there. I thought we had a speaker up front. Let's see if this will even fit. Might have to take that off. Yep. That has to come out of there. And it goes on. Okay, now I gotta put the new mash piece together. So this is the old one. Alright, here's the new kit. All put together. All pretty. And now we can throw it in. Good. It would look better with a 9-inch, but I'm scared to buy one. Looks good. And you probably don't need to see me run the microphone. It's going to go under the dash, around, up this column, behind the headliner, and come out right here above the mirror, so you can't really see it very much. And that'll be it for this install video. And I'm going to do another video for the door speaker in this door and the speakers in the trunk. And that'll be it. And then I'll put some subs in too, but I don't need to do a video on that. That's pretty straightforward. This is more of just a how-to if you own a 2005, 6, 7, 8, 9, or 10 Chrysler 300. And that'll be it. This will be the starting position of the next video, which will be taking the door panel off.